This? No. Okay. Today is, like I said, it's 11 September 2024. I'm in my bedroom here. Let's see here. This is an unboxing video, if you will. I just want to show you that I have, okay. I'm unboxing a Sanyo MR-U4GP. That's Sanyo MR-U4GP. That's MR-U4GP. Alright. That's a Japan version of the Sanyo M7790, which is what this is. Okay. Now, I already have a couple of these already. So, this is a 7790, and this is a U4GP. Alright, this is a red one, but it doesn't work right. I can't remember. I didn't make any notes on it, but it's U4GP. And the difference between the rest of the world models, which are these two, right? Is that right? Yeah, these are the rest of the world models because these can be plugged into an AC socket. Okay, this one cannot, as it does not have a AC socket here in the end. But it does have a DC socket in the other end. Okay, there's a DC socket in the other end. Of course, it runs on batteries. Takes 7C batteries. Okay, and these, hope I didn't confuse you with that. These all have your full complement of line in and out. Okay, and your microphone jacks and your external speaker jacks, except this one has the DC input only, whereas this does not. This does not. Okay, you got that? Alright, then the only other feature is that on the, let's see here, all three of these have Dolby on the cassette. They all take 7C batteries. That's the little ones, not the big ones. Okay. Alright. So, without further, and then of course, I will, let's see, well, I'm hoping to get I think it's a red one in here, just like this one. Hope it's a red one in this box here. U4GP from Japan, and that's all I know. So without further ado, I'm going to open this box here, which is really, you know, it's packed well, but let's see your scissors. Alright. So, scissors. Yeah. This came from Japan. Because I searched for them over there, because there's not too many more decent quality models in the USA on eBay. So I've been trying to get them from over there and discovering the differences of these versus those over there. This is well packed for what it is. Ridiculously overpacked, but that's nice. So here's that. Okay. Well, and then, alright, great. So back to the scissors, I guess. Packed again in bubble wrap. Wow. This must be a really good working model or something. You pack this well. Well, okay. There we go. Fine. And then, okay. Yeah, it's a red one. Okay, great. And, okay. Hopefully I don't need scissors anymore, but okay. Okay, now I did not, this, okay, well, wow, okay. Oh, now that's really odd. This has, that's, I've not ever seen that before. This is a U4GP, okay, it's in weathered condition, if you will. Let me get all this out of the way. That's a ridiculous amount of stuff. This is, okay, this is a U4GP, okay, this has got red on red, alright? But this one has a gold accent. Gold or brass or hell, I don't know. Just never seen that before like this. Yeah. There it's that model there for this camera, because I'm using two cameras. So once again, here is the front of it, and the gold accent stuff on it, and then nothing on that end, and then alright, so, and it's you see that? Will it focus? Did it focus? Who knows? Okay. Anyway, so I didn't bring an adapter, so great, I can see myself in two cameras. Yay. So I will just simply pop in 7 batteries. Hopefully the terminals look to be clean enough. That one questionable, but it's not really rusted, I don't think. And then we got one there, and one more. Here's one more. Well, okay, so we got batteries. It's on, well, at least it, oh, well, okay. Cassette deck door opens and stops, so that must mean the heads are up. And let's see, can I put them down to find, let's see here. Nope, it's locked up. Okay, well, this will be a fun one. Battery terminals are corroded. I don't have a DC adapter here to play with. So, but it is what it is, so. Alright, well. Sorry I couldn't play it for you. Well. But I can play, let's see here. Okay. But I can, let's see here, so. Alright, so here's this one. I gotta fix it. Okay. This one, oh, here. No, I'm not, oh, here's another one. Wait. I knew I had another one in around here. Here's I know this one works. Let's see here. This is also a U4GP. Okay, and I know this one works really well, so let me just put this here. This one I repaired. You watch. I say I repaired it, and then I go and put batteries in it and don't work. Ha ha ha. Alright, here. Let's just put that in there. This in there. That, this way. That way, and one more.
Pero como que esto tiene eso, es un nervio, no son parásitos.
Works. Let's see here. Let me get my, now I've got, lost my tape. Where did I put my tape? Not there. It's in this one. Okay. Was I playing it in this tape? Well, here, let's get a power cord. Okay. Yep. Okay. Alright, so. Oh, that's right. Yeah. This one, yeah, just. Okay, so we heard this ever so briefly. Alright, so. But this one does work. Alright, so here. I bend this and put it on tape. To hit the, now, the one thing bad about this one is that the MFM scale, the plastic is got some kind of, I don't know, water coating in it or something. And it's got a little ding here and got some other dings, but this one works fine. Nobody wants it because it's got this blemish here, okay? I said that before, but you know, sounds great. Never seen one of these things before. Yeah, well. Really nice sound too. I mean, this has a really good bass for its size that you can hear and somewhat feel, because it's got I don't know what size speakers they are, but they're larger than your average radio, right? Just for instance, and I'll close this out because I don't want to bore you all to death, but here I'm in your way. Let's see here, recently another Sanyo, similar size, I mean almost the same size actually. You can hide it. Okay, but there's a 7900, okay, which I repaired, reviewed, and all that. Or this is what? I look at the back. This is 7900K. I got 7900K, I got a 7850K, and anyway. So, I like Sanyos. I don't know what else I can tell you. Am I standing in front of this? Here. See that? This is, you know. How about, let me put it side by side, how about, give you an idea. Just ridiculously small speakers. Okay. Here, I'll start. Whoops. Let me just get that. Okay. Well, there we go. 14 minutes. Okay. So get it down to where you can see it. Right. That's just. And like I said, this one. Okay. So maybe it is red and just faded. Maybe it's red and faded. Who knows? I don't know. But there's that. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go. Saying, oh yeah. You want to contact me? Here's my email address. Just pause the thing and send me a blurb and pause the video. That's me. Alright, gotta go. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye.